Hi, and welcome back to my channel. This is Faye at Faye's Journal Emporium, and I want to thank you to all my new subscribers and to those who've been with me through the last year and a half. Today I'm sharing a guest design team project for Lorna at TaylorMade Journals. I was really excited to do this. She has a kit called Victorian Gothic that I really liked, and I wasn't quite sure how I could make this into a larger journal. So I chose to combine it with steampunk theme, and I've used her Victorian Gothic with steampunk elements and made an eclectic journal. So I'm just going to share this with you. I have used lots of digitals from other small pieces from other designers as well as Lorna, and I will list those below the video. But for right now, I just want to focus on this gorgeous kit that she has. The book measures 9 by 6 and has a 1.5-inch spine. It has 3 signatures with just over 200 pages. So I'm going to show you the journal itself, and here's the spine. It's a beautiful spine. I've used Tim Holtz fabric for the cover and for the interior cover. The outside cover has one of Tim Holtz's frames, which I gilded with gilding flakes, added some lace. There's some netting behind here, added a flower, and then some of the Tim Holtz gears, which you'll see here, and some gears on the frame. And then I've used a piece of lace with beading on it and used a sari silk tie closure. There's lots of journaling space in here, lots of cards, lots of little ephemera. And like I said, it was a lot of fun to make. So this is her. I've used Tim Holtz paper also. The very beginning, I have one of Lorna's bank checks that she did, and I think it was Roxy Creations and Carol Laws that showed how to make these into pockets. And so this is one of the items in the kit. There's a little journaling card there. I've added a butterfly, and then this is another tag that I've made, and these 2 elements are from the kit. So that was a lot of fun to do. I'm just going to set that over here. And then there's a little card, journaling card here. And then this is part of the kit, and there's a little tuck spot right here, and I thought you could write your name here. It's a beautiful kit. I've added laces, lots of lace, lots of ruffles. Fun, fun. And I've added some personal photographs. This is a copy of a photograph of my grandmother and some of her friends, and my grandmother's right there. I just love this picture. And there's journaling space on the back of this. And I have used Lorna's tea-dyed kit or coffee-dyed papers for the backing on some of my some of the pages in here. Tea-dyed paper, lace. This is one of the pages in the kit. I've used parchment paper, which is really interesting when you tea dye it. If you just tea dye one side, the other side stays pretty plain. So another page in the kit. There's lots of Gothic imagery, of architecture imagery. And here's a steampunk page. This is part of the kit. I've added some gears, some of Tim Holtz gears. And then this is a card I've made. This is part of the kit. And then there's a little armored corset tag that you can journal on the back. Parchment paper. This is a beautiful image from the kit. And then I've added a stamp here. And and then on these I've added, there's a little gear, if you can see that. There's charms throughout too. And then this is part of the kit. And this is a page where you can put your own photo. This is one of the items in the kit I've made into a journaling card. And then this is also a journaling card. And this is part of the kit. It's beautiful. And this is one of the envelopes, and I have just added a piece of parchment paper to this that you can journal on and just tuck away. The other envelopes also has one of those. And then I just love this little image. This is so cute. There's journaling space on the back of that. And here's a catalog of machinery. This is one of her pages from the Gothic kit, and her coffee dyed papers here. And then on each of the signature centers of each of the signatures, I've added some bead dangles. And ruffles and ruffles. This is from her kit. There's another little envelope right here that I've just clipped on. This is from the kit. And then this has lots of different items. I've made a tag here using some of the cutouts from the kit. This is a tag from the kit, and this is another one. Super cute. And then I've added, this is a little item that I just glued on to make it into a little pocket. This is a Tim Holtz card, and then this is from the kit, little tiny picture. And then this has 2 pockets. This is in the kit, and this is also the image that's on the front cover. It just tucks in there. And there's another one right here, and this is a image of a Victorian home in the, floor plan, sorry. And that tucks in here. And here's a ruffle with a little charm on it. This is a little pair of binoculars with a little. It's another page from the kit, the other side of that one. Parchment paper. This is one of the pages from the kit. More parchment paper. Another page, beautiful images. And then this is one of the images that's in the kit also, and I made it into a little view as if it were in an album. And you can certainly take that out and put your own picture in if you'd like, or add it to the back. It just slides in there. And then over here, this is one of the pockets and some of the images that come with the kit. There's a little gear here, and I've made a pocket tag. This is one of the images from the kit. And I love this little boy or girl. And then this is one of the images from the kit showing the Gothic arches and the architecture. And there's journaling space on the back of both of these. I've added some of the Tim Holtz collage paper. And this is one of the images from the kit, as well as this one. She's so pretty. Excuse me. This is my grandfather, a rather dapper young man, and I've made it into a pretend cabinet card. And then you've got again, the Tim Holtz gears. And then this is a flip. This is one of the images from the kit. You can flip this up and journal on that page. And this is from the kit, as well as this tuck spot. And then these are some postcards that came with the kit. And this one's different. There's a doily, another envelope from the kit. There's another little charm here with a key on it. Lots of journaling space. These images are from the kit. The bugs. And then this is from the kit. Added a journaling card here. And these are both from the kit. The pocket and the tags. Some more images of those beautiful Gothic arches and windows. And then here's the centerfold with the bead dangles. And again, the backings, the coffee dyed papers. This is from the kit, the little tuck spot. This is from Steampunk. And then this is from the kit. Whoops. With journaling space on the back. These are both from the kit. I love these images. She's just done a beautiful job. You see the little lace and the keys. This is another little envelope. There's 6 envelopes in the kit. And then this is a little tuck spot here. This is one of the tags from the kit. And then this is a vintage tintype. And there's the maker on the back from Utica, New York. And I've made it into a little tag. And then here's a little butterfly charm. And here's another one of those double flips. There's a large tag here. And then these 2 tags are from the kit. And there's journaling space on the back. And then there's 2 little tuck spots here. This is from the kit. So it's right in there. And then this one is the little boy. More images. Some more lace. This is from the kit. And then I had a book on Gothic art, and I clipped out some of the pages from it and backed them with paper so you could journal on them. And this one just pops out like this, and there's journaling space back here too, and then there's journaling space here. So you've got like a little hidden journaling spot. I'll put that back in later. And then more lace. This is from that Gothic art book. And there's journaling space on the back of all the tags. And then these tags are from the kit. That's a stamped image I had. Both these pages are from the kit, and there's that beaded lace again. I just had to put that steampunk image on this page. This is another page from the kit that's so pretty. So pretty. There's another one of the pockets and 2 of the tags, and then this gentleman. And then a big envelope, and this also has the parchment paper in it. And some more Gothic architecture. And there's a little rose here. This is from the kit, as is this pocket. And then this image is one of the postcards from the kit. And all of these have, as I said, journaling space on the back. And then this is my grandfather right there with his cronies. And then another postcard. And those just slip in here. Did I get that page? I missed a page. Sorry. As I said, lots of journaling space. This is another page from the kit. This is from the kit. Another postcard. This is from the kit. And then this is just another large journaling card that I've made. Works with all that Victorian. And the bead dangles with this one. That's an image from the kit. And then this is one of the, excuse me, one of the tags that, fold over tags that Wendy has done such a great job with. And you can journal on both of those. There's the little boy from the kit, and then this is another little envelope from the kit. It just tucks in right there, and that folds over the page. And then this is an image from the kit, as well as this gorgeous postcard. And again, this is from the Steampunk kit from Stamperia. Sorry. This gorgeous cathedral image from the kit. And then this is another one of the ones that I had from the kit, and it's journaling space on the back. I mean, from the book. And this is an image from the kit, as well as these. And there's journaling space on all of those. And then this is a vintage calling card. I just thought the colors worked well with that. And this is another image from the kit with journaling space, and another one of the Gothic images with journaling space on the back. A beautiful page from the kit, and then I've added a little dangle, a bead dangle here. And this, love the arches. Another page from the kit. I love the colors. And then this is my grandmother. And there's journaling space on the back. And I love the way that looks. So you could add your own picture if you wanted, or just leave it out. And then in the back, I have a large tag. Again, the Tim Holtz paper. And this is a little sketchbook. The file folder. The colors just worked well with that, and then two more images from those Gothic art. And then that's the back. So that's her. I hope you enjoyed watching, and thank you, Lorna, for the opportunity to do this. I've never been part of a design team or on a design team before, or had a chance to do a journal like that. So I really appreciate it. I had a lot of fun with this, and thank you. She will be available in my Etsy shop. You all have a good day. Thanks again.